1975 911 Targa. All right, so here is the paperwork for this beautiful Porsche Targa from many, many years ago. As you can see, this car was actually not too expensive during that time. Look at that, how beautiful this thing is. Pristine, oh my God. Classic. I love how it says Carrera there. I love the wheels. The back end of this car is so cool. Look at this, that duck wing. I love classic. Porsches are so freaking awesome, guys. Again, this won an award right there, as you can see, for restoration. Porsche Exchange took this to the next level and restored this car like this. And it's freaking cool, in my opinion. The accent, I don't know, something about old school Porsches always been so amazing. Keep watching till the end of this video, guys, because there is a really cool clip from Porsche Exchange on how they restore this car and why they restore this car to make it look like this. You're gonna see some body shop guys, some paint shop guys that work for Porsche Exchange, and they did an absolute amazing job on this thing, and it turned out to be the next level. I love the design, I love the look, the style. I'm just in love with it. The headlights, everything about this Porsche is freaking cool.
I'm Ron Bean with the Porsche Exchange in Highland Park, Illinois.
My name is Luis Fraguada.
I'm Mario Moreno, shop foreman at the Porsche Exchange.
Well, I'm Larry Noble. I work in the back, the parts department / after sales department.
And I've been working on the Porsche Classic restoration car for 2024, a 1975 Carrera Targa.
This specific car, it's a very low production number.
It's one of 192 built in 1975. 147 of those came to the US, and of those 147, this particular Targa is one of 32 in black and gold.
And has very unique options that make this car perfect for this restoration.
One of the things this year is this restoration challenge. It wasn't a challenge, it was a restoration series of challenges.
The key stages were, of course, disassembly of the vehicle for total body restoration, bringing out the interior, the drivetrain, the complete suspension. While the car was sent to the body shop for complete stripping of the paint and a rotisserie body and paint restoration, everything else was running parallel to that.
The engine needed to be rebuilt, which is a huge deal, all the way down to the crankshaft, new pistons, new cylinders.
The interior was being redone, the suspension components were being assembled, and the electrical wiring harnesses and everything were being coordinated for the build. The most challenging portion was getting all the correct parts for a 50-year-old vehicle.
The most difficult part to source would probably be electrical stuff, the dash components.
Any restoration that is this thorough will always have its issues or speed bumps, so to speak.
One of the most challenging part was to restore the engine.
The engine came out beautiful, it sounds great, it purrs like a kitten.
We took the car to the original bill of sale from the selling dealer in 1975, had all the options listed, so that was our North Star in terms of getting everything correct on the car.
Another aspect of the restoration is I took myself the task of putting together a 3-ring binder with all the invoices that we received when Porsche Exchange bought this car. From the original window sticker to the original owner and all the invoices that they kept in their possession.
This particular Porsche will stand out from just its pure aesthetic, a 75 Targa with a whale tail, and it was the first 911 sold in the US with a whale tail. So we have a little history with it, a little provenance. and just the spectacular build we did, I think will separate us from anyone else in the field.
People will see that no stone was left unturned. Everything, every nut, every washer, everything was looked at and attended to.
It's not just your regular 70s 911. This one is kind of pinpoint to what a 75 Targa is. And hopefully the next people, whether it's in California or another one in Illinois that restores a Targa from the mid-70s, they're going to go off of this project.
I want to tell you that this car, from when we start the whole restoration back after the paint job, we have probably, I want to say 90 to 91% of the parts are new or restored. So I don't know which other car in the challenge group will have that type of investment and involvement in a restoration of a car.
I'm really anxious to see how we do, see how competitive we are in the upcoming judging process.
You'll see the car, you'll agree with me, it's a beautiful car.
Have you driven any of those before?
I have, yeah.
How do you think this one's going to drive differently to the ones that you've driven in the past?
I don't think it's going to rattle as much.